Hello everyone. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm trying to find a relation between the market share and any particular share. Like I have taken the NSE last 1 year historical data and IRCTC last 1 year historical data. So I'll try to find a relation. Is there any relation? Like I used to hear that people use, the normal people used to imagine that they think that if market is going up, there is possibility that my share is also going up. If market is going down, there is chances that my share is also going down. Based on the market movement, they used to decide their share. Okay. So what we try to find, that is there any relation between them? Is it like so? Okay. And thereafter we'll try to calculate the best fit line and also the beta factor, that is known as the risk factor of any risk factor of stock market. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I have taken 1 year NSE data from Yahoo Finance. So if you go on Yahoo Finance, just click on, just search Yahoo Finance on the Google. This page will appear, and just click in the search bar, just click IRCTC. You can see two IRCTC, two things will pop up. So you have to take this one, IRCTC NS. Now go on the historical data. So this one is the historical data. Okay, just click on that. So yeah, you can see this is the time period. So I have taken 1 year time period. Just click on this. So just choose 1 year and apply. Yeah, 1 year data has been created. So you have to download. So if you click on the download, it will download it in the CSV file, which I have already downloaded. You have to do the same for the Nifty 50. Okay, and the same story, go on the historical data, download it for last 1 year. So now I'll start without taking any further due. Okay, so this is the NSE data of last 1 year. So what I do not need these open, high, low, close. I need just adjusted close of NSE data. Okay, and same for IRCTC data also. I just need adjusted close. So what I did, I copied both the columns and just go on the next sheet. And what I did, I pasted both the columns over here. Nifty adjusted close, IRCT adjusted close. Now I need to create these two. Okay, so if you see, if I click on this, you can see I have applied one formula, B3 over B4 minus 1. Okay, it's nothing but B3 over B4 minus 1. Like I have already noted over here, note it down, B3 divided by B4 minus 1. And for IRCTC change, C3 divided by C4. So I have taken the percentage as compared to the previous day. Okay, I cannot take the absolute value because that has no meaning in sense of IRCTC and Nifty. So I have taken the percentage change as compared to the previous day. As you can see, this light green, mint green color is for the positive change, and this is for the negative one. Okay, so this is the filter data. Now next thing is I need to plot a scatter plot, and in scatter plot I need to also plot a best fit line, and then best fit line I need to find my R square value. Okay, so x-axis I have taken Nifty change, independent variable. Y-axis I have taken IRCTC share price, dependent variable. Okay. So now let's move. So insert. If you go on the insert, you can see the chart and just choose the scatter plot. Okay. So if you open, if you choose the scatter plot, now take the x-axis value as a Nifty change and y-axis value as IRCT. Okay. Now let's move on the scatter plot. As you can see, it has been already plotted. So how to get this line? This is known as best fit line. So how to get this line? This line, best fit line. How to get this? Okay. I'll tell you, and how to get this equation and R square value. So just you have to click on this plus, just click on this trend line. Trend line, if you go on trend line, then more options, and here you can see display equation on chart, display R square on the chart. If you click on, if you select both of these, a similar kind of equation will appear. R square value will also appear, and this is known as the best fit line. So this is my slope 1.0329, and this is my x intercept, that is y intercept, that is minus of 0.0029 or 0.03. Okay, you can see this, my R square is coming out to be 0.866, because you can see this means my error is going to be very high, because as they are not, I mean they are not uh, densely present around this line. Okay, around this best fit line, they are they are they are is far apart from the best fit line, so my SST is going to be very high in this case. Okay, a total sum of squares if I need to find the my error. Okay, so that's why you can see my R square is also very low in this case. Okay, so let's do the regression analysis. So in the regression analysis you can find my R square value is 0.0866, that is R square is very low, only 8. It means that only 8% of the variability, only 8% of the variability in dependent variable, that is my IRCTC stock, is being explained by independent variable, that is my Sensex data. Okay, that is my NSE data. Okay, so only 8% of those variability is being explained by, it means, I mean it means we can say that there are other factors, there are 92% other factors which are affecting the share price of IRCTC. Okay, also we can see this now we can see this, the equation is coming out to be y is equals to 0.329x 0 minus 0.08, means we can say that, with the help of this equation, every 1% increase in Nifty, there is 1.05% in IRCT. Now here comes to the beta factor. Okay, the beta factor is nothing but x variable, that is 1.033. So beta factor is nothing but covariance divided by the variance. So R is nothing but return of the stock, and RF is nothing but return of the overall market. Covariance means how change in stock return related to the market return. Okay, variance means how far the data is spread from the average. So what is beta? So in stock market, means people used to analyze the volatility of the stock by using the beta factor. Okay, beta is measure of the volatility or systematic risk of a security or portfolio compared to the market as a whole. Okay, if beta is greater than 1, that is in this case beta is greater than 1, indicates that stock price swings more widely than the market. Okay, we can also analyze this with the R square, because they are not giving me any exact clue with the help of, I mean, the data. Okay, So this is from